of the hottest buzzwords that you will hear in the fintech and startup communities today is the word blockchain. It's reported that up to $1 billion of investment has gone into blockchain-related technologies in the last couple of years. Over the last 12 months, and in fact, specifically in the first quarter of this year, you can see the investment shifting away from Bitcoin towards blockchain technology. So one of the issues or fundamental issues about business network today is the aspect around trust. How do we engineer trust across parties that have no obvious relation? As you look at the problem space, one approach that you can take is really why not drive towards a centralization, a central authority basically governing the entire business network. So that's one approach that you can take. However, what we find is that it becomes very quickly a single point of failure. But what we are advocating for is the concept of a decentralized consensus mechanism where different parties in the network will basically have control or have an influence or say in terms of what is the right view in terms of record keeping is concerned. Blockchain really introduces the concept of a replicated shared ledger. And now, from our perspective, we believe that it should be a permission ledger, meaning that we should only allow parties that are involved in the given transactions to actually see the relevant information that they require to carry out their function. The other aspect is around privacy. And we talked about privacy being very specifically different from the concept of being anonymous. So what we think is important is that as we go towards adopting blockchain for business, it's important that we look at how the different participants in the network could have some level of identity management and some aspects around how we preserve the confidentiality of the transactions. So IBM is proud to be a member of the Linux Foundation Hyperledger project that basically focuses on the open blockchain initiative. And we have joining us basically a range of different partners, contributing members from different industries, ranging from technology players, technology vendors, to consulting partners, even down to startups and also the large enterprises as well. So we do have basically a good mix of participants and contributions, and that continues to grow as well.